Hi friends, this is Divya, your pharmacist friend. Today I'm going to speak on a very important topic with you all, that is hair fall. Now let's not think about hair fall. Let's think in a positive way about hair growth. I will tell you all some possibilities because of which we experience low hair growth. Okay, so first is aging. Aging, that's very common. See, when we age, we are on our way to menopause. It is obvious and it is natural that we experience hair fall. At this time, what are we supposed to do? We are supposed to meet our gynec or our family doctor, speak to him about the hair fall that we are experiencing. Take the medicines which the doctors prescribe. Home also we can concentrate, we can think over the food which we eat, a lifestyle. Okay, this was the first point. Second point was malnutrition. Malnutrition is the case when our food is lacking of vitamins, minerals, proteins, carbohydrates, iron. The list is too long, but still when we are eating we need to concentrate more on its health benefits than the taste. There are some people who want only tasty food, then it might be healthy, not be healthy. That is not the point. We need to concentrate on only healthy food. If you all want good hair growth, then please concentrate on the nutritions which you all must give to your body. Now the third point is hormonal imbalance. Our body is fit and fine only because of the hormones present in our body. Most spoken hormones are estrogen, testosterone and thyroid hormones. Okay, these three hormones are main hormones which are directly related to the hair fall. So if we experience abnormal hair fall, we need to consult our doctor as soon as possible. Then comes infections. There are many people who stay unhygienic. They don't have proper head baths. They sweat a lot and they even don't feel like cleaning themselves. Such people experience a lot of head infections. And there are some people, these people experience a lot of head infections. Commonly known head infections are scalp psoriasis, seborrheic dermatitis and dandruff. Okay. Now, common reason I have heard about dandruff these days are many people put a lot of shampoo or soap and they don't wash their scalp properly. Okay, they are in a haste of going somewhere, or might be they need to watch TV. Whatever the reason may be, little amount of soap remains on the scalp, it is not cleaned properly, then it can cause dandruff. Okay, and mind you all, once you all get dandruff, it is really hard to get rid of it. Dandruff is the main reason nowadays because of hair fall. If you all come to know that you all have got dandruff or any other disease, can see flakes on the hair, can see flakes on the scalp, please meet your doctor. Okay, the doctor will give you all needed medicines. Once you all meet the doctor will give you all needed medicines. Medicines will do their work. You all need to concentrate on self-hygiene. Please remain clean, take baths regularly, eat food which is less oily, avoid junk food, eat healthy food, green leafy vegetables, vitamin C fruits, they are a must in your diet. Okay, now comes menopause time. During menopause, women experience a lot of hair fall, but that's normal and you all can meet your doctor and speak about it. By taking regular medicines, this problem gets solved. Then comes dieting. Nowadays, all are so much concerned about their figures. They need to look very beautiful, irrespective of the deficiencies they are causing to their body. My dear friends, whenever you all are going on a diet, please think that our body needs vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates, proteins, lots of things necessary for each and every function of our organ. When our body becomes deficient of any of this, that time we experience hair fall. Okay, so next time you all think of a diet, please concentrate on all these factors and then go for dieting. For dieting, you all can cut down on carbohydrates, but iron, vitamin C, minerals, vitamins is a must for hair growth. Even when some person experiences very high fever, that time also after a certain period of time that he or she might experience hair fall. That's obvious. It is just a sign of the body telling you, please eat healthy food. You are deficient of some vitamins, nutrients. Okay, so that is a sign of the body to tell us that we are lacking something and we need to eat good things to get rid of this deficiency. Suddenly, if someone has experienced a lot of blood loss, maybe by an accident or something, that time also there is a lot of hair fall. Okay.